Hi, everyone. This is Hunter Carroll, an agency owner with Goosehead Insurance. I wanted to continue my theme for this month with these videos, which is to talk about ways to maximize your insurance savings. My first video, I talked about the importance of combining your property and auto insurance where possible for those multi policy discounts. My last video, I talked about the importance of having continuous insurance and not having any recent lapses or policy expiring and then you're not covered because that can cost you a lot on a new policy. You get major discounts for having continuous insurance. The longer you've been continuously insured without any lapse, the better your rates are. And then this week, I just wanted to touch on the importance of having high liability limits, specifically your bodily injury liability limits. If you have bodily injury limits of at least 100,000 bodily injury per person, 300,000 per occurrence, that's going to help you in a couple of key ways. One is you have much better coverage to protect you if God forbid you are in an accident and you are sued for somebody else's injuries. This gives you the coverage so that you're not having to stress about paying that out of pocket. And two, this actually gives you a significant discount on a new policy. You get discounts for having high liability limits on your prior policy, and they can be substantial discounts. When I run quotes, one, if you just have the state minimum, sometimes you don't even qualify for some of the carriers that I write with. And two, if you have the state minimum or lower liability limits than that 100, 300 threshold, you typically have to pay a lot more in your new insurance policy than you would if you had those higher liability limits. So that's something that you may not know about the insurance industry, but you do get substantial discounts for having high liability limits. So you pay a little bit more in your current policy and you can bump those limits up. You have better coverage, and then it's going to save you a lot if you shop around in the future and you want to quote with another carrier. That's my tip for this week. If you have any insurance questions, feel free to reach out. Again, this is Hunter Carroll with Goosehead Insurance, and I hope you have a great day.